Hey friends, if you wish to use the calendar app on Windows 11, then here's the thing. The calendar app has been removed. So when you click on the calendar app, it will flicker for a while and then it will open new Outlook instead. So the calendar app does not exist on the system. Now, if you specifically want a calendar app on your computer, then you can search for Store in the Windows search bar. Go to Microsoft Store and then search for calendar here, and you can use any of these alternate calendar applications. Because the calendar app does not exist, it's a reality, you cannot do anything about it. I would pick this one. It's a third party app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.